This video will show you how to remove the fog lights on 2009 through 2018 Ram 1500s.
All right, first thing we've got to do is remove our stock fog lights here. And to do that, we're going to have to remove the three 10mm bolts from behind the fog light here. And we'll unplug the harness as well. Now, you can definitely do this on the ground. We've only got this up in the air so that we can give you a better view of exactly what you're going to be doing to get these fog lights out. So let's go ahead and get that done. First thing we're going to do is disconnect our wiring harness on the side. And to do that, we're just going to lift up on the locking tab and slide it out. Then we've got 3 bolts, one here, one there. We'll take our 10mm socket and remove those bolts. Now we'll get the one at the top. You want to hold the light in. And once you've got the bolts out, just go ahead and slide the light straight back and drop it out. And now you can repeat that process for the other side.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ram, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.